This Oxy carpet cleaning solution for pets, really any, carpet shampoo machine, deep cleaning for dogs, odors, safely cleans and deodorizes. I use this for about a week and a half. We have a ton of animals. We have a ton of pets. And I'm telling you right now, this thing works like a charm. It's made in the USA. I love this company, Rocco and Roxie. And here's the cool thing. You want to know the difference between a product that stands behind their work, stands behind their craftsmanship and quality? They slap on a 100% guaranteed. If you are not satisfied, you get your money back in full refund. There's no risk. So we took the challenge. We took the risk, which there was no risk. And it worked like a charm. I'm telling you, we have dogs, we have cats, we have birds, we have fish, we have ferrets, we have turtles. We love animals in our house. We have kids. So the accidents galore, as you can imagine. Now, here's what I would do first. I would shake it well before you use it. And actually, it goes great within tandem with their other product, their pet stain odor remover. But if you just want to get this, that's totally fine. Vacuum the carpet first to prepare for the cleaning. And in your portable carpet cleaning machine, just add 2 ounces of this for every gallon of water. And then follow the directions for your cleaning machine and vacuum thoroughly, then dry, and it works like an absolute charm. I cannot recommend this anymore. Get rid of those odors, get rid of those stains, get rid of that funk. You can actually have people over. We're so excited. We can have people over. My parents literally had to wear pins on their nose prior to us getting this product. It's phenomenal. It's made in the greatest country on earth, in the USA. You can't go wrong.